Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a long stiletto set. And I have obviously applied the fake tips on top of fake nails because I didn't have long stilettos, so I did makeshift. And then I added some builder gel to make it as smooth as possible to go down the entire nail. And let's get to the design. So I am taking black gel polish, and I want this one to be fully black because we are going to come in with a snake skin design, and I'm going to first matte top coat it, give that a full cure, and then we are going to take a army green, and it's going to be Ringmaster from Light Elegance, and I'm going to take a striping brush and do kind of sideways lines and then some dots. So I'll go back and forth with those, kind of, you know, making it very freehand and not super like perfect down the line. I'm taking some top gloss here, and I'm just going to go over those dots. So we have the black, have a matte top coat, and now we have the shiny green on top. So taking Talk Dirt to Me, and I believe this came out last year. It may have came out the year before, so don't quote me on that. So we are going to do a full nail of this, and what I like about this one, it complements my skin very well. I'm very pale, and then this one isn't too what's the word, too tan, you know what I mean? So it's very nice light creamy color for me. Now we're gonna start the snake. So I'm taking that Ringmaster, and you can see I'm kind of just doing an outline here, and then I'm gonna come in and build it up a little bit, but I kind of wanted my rough shape first, and then I come in and perfect it, because I think once you can kind of map out the entire thing, I mean, you could probably draw it with a pencil first since there was a matte top coat on top, but this works great for me. And continuing to build it up, and then we're gonna take some gold flake paint, yeah, that stuff, like, you know, the metallic gold, and then I come in with some glitter on top. Taking Talk Dirt to Me, and then we're going to do kind of like a half snake nail, same as that ring finger, but just doing it on half the nail. These crystals, I am obsessed. So these are gonna go under that kind of snake design and a little bit of a curve, because again, we have that curve with the snake, so I wanted to kind of carry it throughout the design. And since this one was a little bit straighter, I think I wanted the curve with the snake skin a little bit more. So I was like, okay, well, how can I change this up? So I went in and added the crystals here, and I'm obsessed, like absolutely obsessed. And then I go ahead and give that a full cure, and I'm going to do crystals down this nail as well. They will be scattered down. So I take that same foil and then I just fade it down the nail. And once we do that, then we apply the crystals. Applying that crystal glue and then go in with the crystals. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.